all made up in my head. Destiny's melody calling out to me, so what I'm gonna do is fall for you and walk out to the edge.
What's going on, guys? Impulsive here, and today I'm bringing you to the Spider-Man PS4 video. So it's been a couple days since I've played this, but yeah. Okay, let's just go. Okay, what am I doing? I'm gonna turn up the volume. I can't really hear anything. Oh, it's really loud already. I told my sister that I was gonna be recording and not to bother me, and then she said I was gonna be loud, but then she got the hiccups, so I couldn't hear her. Like she couldn't speak, and she was like, "Satan's possessed my body." Like I can't stop hiccuping.
I can't take this.
Oh.
You can and you will.
I'll pay you back.
Reminds me of Spider-Man 2.
Soon.
For God's sake, it's not much. Now take it.
Oh, you are so much like Ben.
If you guys remember that moment from
You have to
Spider-Man
learn
2.
to swallow that Parker pride and accept that you're human.
Yeah, she had the hiccups. She wouldn't like.
Sorry to interrupt.
Oh, hey, it's the bad
Just
guy.
wanted to let you know I'm headed out of town. You're in charge while I'm gone.
Huh? I wonder why.
Well, you can count on me. How long will you be away?
Really don't know.
Is everything okay?
No.
It's some personal business I've been planning for a while. But please take care of this place. It represents the best part of me.
Because there's not many good parts of you left. That's why. Yeah, he knows something's wrong.
Guess I better get busy.
You know, she looks a lot like the Amazing Spider-Man 2
Mr. Lee's
Aunt
okay.
May. She really does
Hello?
to me.
Hey, did you see my story?
I did. Robbie must be pretty happy right now.
Yeah, it kind of went viral. And get this, Mayor Osborn just announced he's going to give Officer Davis an award this afternoon.
Wow. Wait, isn't Osborn's campaign rally this after?
Oh, yeah.
I see what he's doing.
Yeah, we all do. But still a pretty cool moment for Officer Davis and his family. I'll be there
Okay,
covering
I'm just gonna
it.
stand in line.
Wanna join me?
Yeah, of course. See you then.
Okay, never mind. But yeah, she had the hiccups and she couldn't tell me what she was gonna say, and I was like, why will you be loud? And then she was like, to bother you. So yeah, if she makes a lot of noise, I'm sorry. I think she's doing the dishes right now, so hopefully you can't hear the pipes and stuff. I can, but hopefully you can't, because there's no microphone in the walls, only on the VR headset. So yeah. Oh, I'm Spider-Man now.
It's so humiliating taking money from May. I should head out into the city and try to pay it forward.
There's this purple thing here. I think I've been here already, but I don't know what it is still.
207, kidnapping reported. Nearest officer, please respond. Incident is active in Dutchtown. Over.
Okay. Oh, okay. Cool. That's cool. Smog aware. Okay.
This station's simple, but really important. It measures toxins in the air.
Yeah, I found out he
Sensitive
is
than
Lucas
anything
from
this thing
Minecraft
has.
Story Mode.
Bad air hits children and the elderly
And I think
first.
Luke from Walking Dead,
This was a
the
big one
game,
for my mom.
Telltale game.
If
He's in
his
a
data
lot.
is
He's in
accurate,
a lot of things.
There's way too much sulfur dioxide in the air. I have a spidey hunch this is caused by inefficient engine exhaust.
This
If I get some
again.
fresh samples, I can identify the make and model and report them.
I gotta do this all again. This sucked last time.
Okay, got that one. This can't be good for me.
Yep, duh.
Nice.
Nice, is it
More
though?
samples. Oh, that one smelled. Just a couple more. got it.
I hate this.
One more should do it. That's it.
Well, that was really cool when I was like doing the web things.
Okay. Looks like we have 3 guilty parties. I'll need to get pictures of them for proof.
Where am I going?
Taking pictures. Just like the old Bugle days. Life was so much simpler back then.
Let me back there.
Scared the hell out of me.
Whoa. How do I take a picture again? He's just hitting me. How do I take a picture? R1.
One down.
There we go. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that was just my phone. If you could hear that, I don't know if you could. Okay, now I gotta get really far away. I'll just keep the camera out. Okay.
That's a keeper.
Okay. Gotta get to this one, and that should be the last one, I'm pretty sure, right?
And the hat trick. All set. That'll get a recall ordered. Courtesy of your Earth-friendly neighborhood spider.
That car just runs me over, like, seriously. Ow. That's funny. I'm just gonna take pictures of some people. Why not?
Hey, Jeff. Congrats on the ceremony today.
I'll be glad when it's over. A truck full of armed demons scares me less than public speaking.
I'm excited for Miles Morales.
What's
I'm
up?
pretty sure there's like an end scene, like a scene at the end where we're just like together on the ceiling or something like that. I think I saw like something like that in a video titled Spider-Man PS4 is a perfect Spider-Man game, something like that. And there was like that image on one of the parts of the video. So I'm pretty sure that happens. Pretty sure that's what happens. I love this game. I agree, it is this perfect Spider-Man game. Like,
all units, 10:30 on an armored car.
there's my
Suspect
phone
around.
again, if you could hear that.
Officers needed near Kips Bay.
There we go. Fisk Construction. Okay. Is that a garbage truck? Probably not. Oh, nope, it's shipping. Okay. Do I gotta chase that?
Consolidated shipping.
Oh, whoa. I hear guns.
Jeff,
That's
I'm
not
here.
good.
What do you see?
Find the rest. The boss wants them dead.
Looks like the demons are moving in on Fisk's territory.
You got this?
I got this.
Oh yeah, I got everything. Do I need to be sneaky about this? Oh, okay. I don't think I need to be sneaky, right? Shut up, phone. Okay, hold on, let me check my phone. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's get back in. Did you think you would win it in a fight against Spider-Man?
You got what you came for. You don't need to kill us too.
Oh,
This
whoa.
territory is ours now.
Not today.
I feel like one of them is Martin Lee. Screw you guys. So rude. Got my phone again. Okay. Electric web, huh? Turn my head up so I can see if it's not working. Unknown, huh?
Hey, Willie.
You.
Nice jumpsuit. Slimming.
Stay out of my business.
He's slimming?
Wait, the demons.
Is he?
Who's
Is
their
that
leader?
possible?
Keep my men alive and maybe I'll tell you.
I don't kill people, dude. Oh, okay. I forgot that
Saving
those
bad
aren't
guys
his
from
men.
other bad guys. Not how I thought today would go.
Wow, there's a lot to do here now. Okay, where's next? Trying to figure out where I gotta go. Where do I go? I can't get up there. I don't want to do this.
I think I lost him. Well, I got their
Well,
attention.
crap. There's a lot of places to go. Oh no. Ow. There's so many places to go.
You two stay here. Wait for the police. Better swing around the outside to look for Fist Men.
Ow. What was that thing? Oh, you know, it's just Spider-Man.
Gotta find the survivors fast.
What? Are you kidding me? Are you... How do I get up these places? Let me up! What? Ah, what? No, don't get me off. Don't you dare. Oh, okay. Wait, was that all of them? What? Okay, probably not. Is this a new shocker?
Hey,
Oh,
big guy.
jeez. I just launched him off. Okay. Okay, there's still more places to go. What? Are you serious?
You okay?
Okay, I should be over. Should be done. No. Don't you dare. Shot his friends. Okay, that should be all of them, right?
Fisk, your men are safe. Your turn. Who runs the demons?
Maybe he's there. Maybe he isn't. Check the roof.
I've missed these cryptic Fisk talks.
Okay. I'll end the video once I'm done this, I think. Oh no. Is that Lee? Is that Martin? Is that Martin Lee? No, that's not. He's bald.
Hello,
That guy's
again.
bald. Oh god, he's got a bazooka.
Oh, come on. No!
Oh no. Oh no. Press X. I'm pressing X. X. X.
go!
Oh.
Did that just happen? Yeah.
I'm getting reports of a helicopter with a wrecking ball.
Yeah, things with the demons got complicated. Sit tight, Yuri. I got this.
Do I?
Please, let me got this.
Please let me got this. How do I do this? Are we going in circles? Because I don't like math. Don't make me go in like a shape. I hate math.
That helicopter is destroying the city.
I know.
You need to bring it down.
I know.
How?
Maybe you could superhero a little faster?
Working on it, Yuri. Call you when it's done.
I don't know what to do.
Now's my chance.
To do what? Oh, triangle. I'm Spider-Man. I can stop that thing with my hands, dude.
Hope I live to regret this.
Oh no. Haha.
Hi, is this the flight to Newark?
I'm still really strong and sticky.
Afraid I have to ask you to pull over the helicopter, sir.
I'm really strong and I'm sticky. Oh crap, triangle. What? What? I'm moving away.
Need to disable the second engine.
No, what? You're telling me to press square, and then I have to press O. What? What is this? Got that. Okay, good.
Here's your plan. Plan real fast. I guess this is the plan.
Oh, jeez.
Come on, Pete. You got this.
Do I?
You got this. You got this.
What? 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 I did exactly what you told me to do. Son of a frick ass. Jesus Christ. How long has the video been? Probably like 30 minutes. Okay, probably like 20 minutes by now.
Need a plan.
Not 30.
Plan real fast. I guess this is the plan.
Why is this the plan?
Come on, Pete. You got this.
I got this, apparently.
You got this.
Those people eating, they're just what?
Please don't screw this up.
Don't let me screw it up. What? I did exactly what you told me to do again! What am I doing wrong? Nothing! Nothing! Not a single thing am I doing wrong. No, nothing. I'm not doing anything wrong. I gotta do all this again. Jesus
Need a plan.
Christ.
Plan real fast. Plan.
Why is this the plan, Peter?
Come on, Pete, you got this. You got this, you got this, you got this.
Those poor people eating. That guy with the ketchup in his hand, trying to put it on his hot dog.
So screw this up.
I should have got... Yes, I got that. I got that. If there's one more thing for me to do and I mess it up... How are they gonna get that down? How are they gonna fix that? Is that how icy? No, it's not. Okay.
These masks are so awesome.
I was gonna say.
Cool, thanks. Do they have a website? Whoops.
Whoops.
Hey, Yuri. I caught the bad guys, but...
But what?
You might want to bring a ladder.
Is that Miles? That's Miles. That's Miles.
Hey, fanboy.
That's Miles. That's Miles.
Oh, crap, I'm late.
You coming?
Nah, I gotta get to City Hall for my dad's ceremony.
All right. Tell your pops I said congrats.
I'm Amor. Miles Morales. Okay, I'm gonna end the video there, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you like my other videos, please, you guys consider subscribing. Remember to subscribe to Jiggity27. Press the right, do that occasionally. But I'll see you guys in the next video. And +7 out. Peace.